welcome back to my channel. All right, so on this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $57 per hour just by clicking your screen. Okay, I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. But before that, remember to subscribe to my channel right now because I come out with videos every single day that show you how you can make money online, how to work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. And jump into the video. So the website you guys are going to want to check out is testingtime.com. Now, so testingtime.com. This is a usability testing platform. It's based out of the UK and they allow you to get paid for testing new products and websites. And so the company's been around since like 2015. They already have like over 100,000 registered freelance testers at the moment. The tests, what they do is they help identify usability problems and provide insights to improve companies' websites and products and services and different things like that, okay? So really how the testing works, what you guys are going to do is all you're going to do is just click around on buttons and on different features on these websites, and you're going to test their functionality, okay? And then you guys are going to speak inside of a microphone, just kind of speak about, different things on what you're thinking during the testing process, okay? So if you guys would like to sign up, just come right up here on the top right of the screen, go ahead and click on Become a Tester. That'll take you over to this page right here. You guys just enter in your first name and your email address, and then just click on I want to become a tester, and then therefore you will start the sign up process, okay? So really lots of good information on this website. Down here you have a full list of different frequently asked questions that you guys can read about. You guys, for requirements and things like that, you guys are going to need access to a computer or laptop, of course, because this is not something that's going to work on a smartphone. And you must be willing to test websites for at least 30 to 90 minutes, okay? So, and also you're going to need a Skype account, you're going to need a headset and a webcam. And so the headset is used for speaking into the microphone during the test, okay? So how much can you guys really get paid doing this? Well, you can make up to $57 per test, which is about $50 or 50 euros, okay? So with the average test being around $40. Still though, I mean, it's still an amazing payout and an amazing opportunity, okay? So after the test, you guys will get paid within 5 to 10 days, and you can get paid through your bank account, and you can also get paid directly to PayPal. Yes, so that's one of the great things I like about it. Go check it out, guys. It's testingtime.com. Based on the reviews, many people who have worked for this company really enjoy what they do, okay? So there you go, guys. You're not going to get rich doing this. You may not be able to quit your day job, and you're still trading time for money. That's it for today, guys. And if you would like to see more videos about making money online, working from home, and becoming an entrepreneur, subscribe to my channel right now, and I will send you an update whenever I come out with a new video. If you guys found some value on this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And you guys make it an awesome day, and we will see you on the next one.